2009 Ford Ranger. We're going to see if we can fix that.
I'm not an automotive mechanic or claiming to be one. Please do your own research and take your own safety precautions.
Items we're going to be using to fix this is the gasket, part number 31372, and a split flange, sure Bilt. Looks like it is 17117, 2 1/4.
I ended up changing the bolts that were supplied with the split flange and switching them out with spring bolts that I purchased from Oreilly's for $10.25. Part number 36129.
.28
Due to the condition of the bolts and the tabs on the exhaust, I elected to cut them off with an angle grinder. However, if your bolts or your tabs are in decent condition, I would try just removing the bolts with a socket and a wrench.
First issue that we had, this bolt on the flange that's on the pipe would go through it, so I don't have any strong washers that are going to fit these bolts, but I'm using this. This came off of a Black & Decker edger when I changed the blade. This is the old kind of spacer washers on it, so I'm going to use that as a washer. These bolts are going to be 5/8 on this end and a 9/16 for the nut. Have the gasket right here. Try to move so I can move this out of the way. Yeah, if you hold that, pull that.
As you can see in this picture, part of the edge of the exhaust is broken off, which may lead to leaks in the future.
It's not perfect, but it sounds better.
I replaced the bolts that came with the split flange with the spring bolts that were similar to the old bolts. Information over the internet indicated that the spring bolts would better handle the engine vibration and in return would reduce the likelihood of breaking any welds in the exhaust system.